Let's walk through how to automate email attachments using Dittofeed's file user property. This property requires a file value to be sent in a track event as a base64 encoded string. It's particularly useful if you're sending transactional emails like purchase confirmations that need to be sent with receipt attachments, which is why we'll be walking through this particular example. Let's say you have a purchase event that looks something like this. The files property here has a data value that is an encoded base64 string representing PDF data, which is generated on your backend when a user makes a purchase. Dittofeed then decodes it and turns it into a PDF attachment for each message sent in your event-triggered journey. On your backend, the code that submits track events with files might look something like this using Dittofeed's Node SDK. There is a PDF generation function and some error handling and things like that I won't go over, but down here we have this Dittofeed SDK.track call that is essentially waiting for a purchase event from a user, and the encoded file data then gets included in the files section of the track event payload down here. Lastly, the file user property can be used in an email template as an attachment variable within the template's options menu. Let's look at how creating the file user property works in Dittofeed. User properties, create user property. I'm going to name this purchase receipt file, and I'll choose a file property type. And the example value can just be something like this. Let's hit save, and now let's go to message templates and create a new email template. I'll name this purchase email with receipt and click create. Now under user properties, you'll be able to see your new user property and its example value down here. Above the template editor, there's this options button, and under attachments, you'll choose your new user property and click out of the modal, publish, and that's it. You're ready to use this in an event-triggered journey.